Mama.
That's awesome.
A dollar. Okay. What's this? Oh!
What is it, Shay?
What is Look this? At Mama!
Quack, quack. Nice.
What's this?
What does it say on it? Is it paper? Read the back.
Awesome car, Mama.
Oh, I'm so excited for you.
I don't know what it is. Hey, what's this?
Just look at the next thing, okay?
Ooh, Mama has a box with
Ooh, you know what that is?
It's
Cotton candy.
Ooh, look at Spider-Man head.
What is it?
It's a Spider-Man. Look at this, Shay. Quack, quack, quack. I see no window. It says a color on it. Kleenex.
Can you sit down? You're blocking the light and it's messing it all up. Thank you.
Yay, it's Donald! Mama, kissy. That's it.
What do you guys say to Great Grandma and Aunt Monica?
Thank you.
Shaya, can you say thank you to Great Grandma and Aunt Monica? Say bye. Love you. You guys say bye. Love you.
Bye,
Little kisses. Shaya, say bye.
bye.
Shaya. Shaya.
Hey, those sweethearts. Bye.
There it is.